I believe everybody in NFT space know who CryptoPunks are and how big is this industry. They are one of the largest sold NFT collection on earth with total volume of 889,800 volume of traded with this unique style of NFT collections. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create entire NFT collection on your mobile phone using Kinemaster app to create this type of CryptoPunk style and even make it to be more unique. So make sure to stick around to the end of this video and make sure you don't skip any part of this video. So without further ado, let's dive in. So before we jump start, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, turn notification bell on because this will really make my day and also help the YouTube system to also serve this video to more people on their platform. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first thing we have to do is to fire up the Kinemaster mobile app on our smartphone. Alright, so this Kinemaster app. So what you want to do now is to click on this add button, which will allow you to add in your items. So I'm going to be clicking on it. Then for NFT project, you want to click on 1:1. This is acceptable format. So I'm going to be clicking on it. Good. As you can see right there, I have this black bar right here. This is where you import. If you don't know how to use the Kinemaster app, you can go on YouTube and search for more tutorial about that. It's very simple. So what I'm going to be doing now is to import the image which I have created, and I want it to look like a CryptoPunk style. So I'm going to be doing that right now. Alright, as you can see, this is an image right here. So I'm going to be using this as an example, so you guys will follow me along. So right now, as you can see, I don't want to see this black bar right side by side, so I'm going to be clicking on it and I'm going to be going to this and scale it up a little bit to eradicate that. I'm hitting OK. Good. So now what I'm going to be doing now is to apply this type of mosaic style that CryptoPunk adopt to create their massive collection to make big sales of this type of style. So I'm going to be clicking on this icon right here, this layer. Come to this layer, then you want to click on FX, which is effect. All right, as you can see, so what you're going to be doing now is scroll down right here to the very bottom, and you're going to see these basic effects. Click on it and you want to click on mosaic right there. So when I click on mosaic right here, as you can see, nothing happened. As you can see, there's nothing happened. As you can see, it's just this kind of bar right here. So you can scale this up right here. So where this effect will really come to play is come down to these settings right here, and you want to increase this mosaic style, the block size, as you can see. So if you want it to look big, you can increase it to 20. If you want it to be small, you can increase it to 10 or 5, depending on the type of style you want to go for. As you can see, let me just leave it to around something like 17 for the case of example. Next thing you're going to be doing is you want to come to the alpha. The alpha is the transparent part of it. If you want the effect to be more transparent, as you can see, when I do it like this, it's going to be more transparent. This is going to be adding a unique to your own style. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be leaving it like this. So I'm going to be hitting on yes. So now, as you can see, I create this type of CryptoPunk style in Kinemaster. So now where the problem is how you can export this into JPEG or PNG file to upload to OpenSea. So I'm going to be showing you that also. So that is not a big issue. As you can see right here, you can export this as a video file and also upload it to OpenSea. So I have a video where I walk you through how you can upload a video you export from Kinemaster to OpenSea without having any issue. But for this, we're going to be keeping it very simple. Right now, what you want to do is, because you need the JPEG, so all you have to do is to come down right here and click on this screen capture. So this is going to be capturing your screen at a higher resolution. So when I click on it, as you can see, I'm going to be choosing capture and save. I don't want it to save as a layer. I just want it to be saved on my gallery, so where I can upload these NFTs. So I'm just going to be clicking on this capture. As you can see, it has been saved into my phone gallery where I can upload it to OpenSea. So for those that want to upload it as a video, you're going to click on this item right here. You want to click on the NFT itself right here, and you want to come down to this share button right here, that is save for Kinemaster. Then you want to make sure you set it to higher resolution right here. Make sure you set it to higher resolution and increase the bit rate to also help you for color clarity. So you want to click on export if you want to export that, and boom, that is going to be exporting in the fast moment, as you can see it right there, and boom, you have your NFT. You can play around with it if you want. You can play your collections. As you can see, I have this kind of dope crypto style kind of NFT collections. So I can create many of these using different backgrounds and different style, as you can see that I'm doing right now. So I can change the background. If you have the PNG that you can change the background. If you want to change the background, you can just come down right here, then you go to media, then you want to click on background, then you can change it to whether it's white or depend on what you want. Just make sure the image background is transparent so you can replace it with this. So you just come and hit on send to back. So it's gonna be sending it to the back of the transparency, and it's gonna be having a white background. So hope you guys gain value out of this. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any of my previous video. And I recommend you guys to check my previous video. I put the link in the video description, or you can click up right here at the top of my head. And also follow me on my Twitter handle and my Instagram. I put link to every of it in the video description. And also don't forget to follow me on my Facebook group, link in the video description. So, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I love you guys, NFT family. Any question or make requests about tutorial or type of video content you want to see on my channel, you can just jump down to my Instagram handle